Thanks to Keith at Magnolia Tire Pros and Auto Service for the professional installation of our Speedy Strut Complete Strut Assemblies by Sensen. We always recommend you go to a professional for this type of repair. Today we'll be replacing a set of front complete strut assemblies on a 1999 Buick Le Sabre. We recommend using Speedy Struts by Sensen when replacing your worn out struts. Speedy Strut Complete Strut Assemblies by Sensen come with a limited lifetime warranty. Sensen uses OE grade coil springs and strut mounts with premium grade bearings. All Speedy Struts are assembly tested for vehicle fitment accuracy and come in high quality premium packaging. Better components, better processes, and better quality. Speedy Strut is the better option.
Tire off. Unplug the ABS plate again. I'm moving the tire on. And first of all, you got to take the cotter key out. Now we're going to use a and 3/4 inch socket. Take that nut off of there. We'll use a 1 pound hammer and break that joint loose. Remove the tire out of it so that we can turn the strut. And as Sue knows, I always lubricate all of my parts. Just makes it easier to get them. Somebody's got that wire tied. It's not in there the way it's supposed to be. So I'll cut that wire tie and remove them. They're supposed to be on bolts. So we're going to put it back. Should be a 24 millimeter, which it is. Use the same 1/2 inch impact gun. Remove the 2 stud bolts lower. 21 millimeter wrench to hold the other side. Small hammer just to tap the bolts back out of the holes. And we'll let the car down. Probably 13 millimeter, yep. 3/8 drive in. I'm going to remove those. Remove the 3 nuts from the top. And as you see, that strut's going to start to fall. Remove those. Lay your bolts and nuts close by so you use them to put it back. Strut is out. And as you'll see, these struts come with brand new nuts. Just line the holes all back up. Install the little guide plate. You install your nut. Start both the other two nuts. Use the same 13mm socket to tighten the bolts back up. I use a 3/8 drive hand ratchet to make sure the bolts are tight, because you can break those off with an impact gun. So I don't overly tighten them with the impact gun. And just check to make sure they're tight with a regular 3/8 drive air ratchet, or hand ratchet, I mean. Alright, let's raise this back up. Let's reinstall that. Just use a hammer to tap it back in the hole. Slide the bottom bolt back in. Install a nut. Install the lower nut. And the 21mm wrench we took them out with to reinstall. At the bottom or top, either one. Doesn't matter which one you tighten first. I guess we're going to use a wire tie to put them back, because we don't have the bolts that originally were in there. Take the wire tie up. That should be 2 little bolts, one on each side of this to hold the brake hose and the ABS sensor. Remember to plug your ABS sensor back in. Tie rod back in. Nut back in. Tighten the nut back up. And this side is in.
This concludes our front complete strut assembly installation on a 1999 Buick Le Sabre. Thanks for watching, and thanks again to Magnolia Tire Pros and Auto Service for their professional installation.